The essence of hard work is one that's pretty straightforward, is that you'll never be the best looking, you'll never be the tallest, most talented, most capable, you'll never have the most money. There will always be someone who's better at whatever you're doing than you are. But you can always be the hardest working person in the room. And I think the hardest working person will always win.
It's been a couple of days now when I got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy J6. Now this guy is my primary phone. It got my primary SIM cards and all that stuff, and I'm using this for around half a week right now, and I thought why not to make a gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy J6, and to be specific, the PUBG gaming review, which most of the guys are playing right now. This is in the trend, PUBG. So let's find out. So while the game loads, I want to tell you guys that Samsung Galaxy J6 is not a very powerful phone. It got 3 gigs of RAM, and it is powered by not Qualcomm, it is powered by the Samsung's own Exynos 7870 processor, which is now a quite old processor, and I think it can't handle PUBG very smoothly, but let's find out. And I also got some points listed out based on my previous gaming experiences, so I also want to share that with you, so stick with the video. First of all, PUBG lags a lot on the regular settings. Regular settings means the default settings which PUBG acquires automatically based on the smartphone, and even on the low graphic settings you will have a kind of jittery experience, but it will get the job done. As you can see in the gameplay, the game is quite jittery and quite laggy, so you are not getting the buttery smooth motions, but it will get the job done. It can save you. My second point is that device doesn't lags, only the game lags. What I mean to say that the device is very much responsive during the gameplay too. You can perform the multitasking during the gameplay, you can do messaging and all that stuff. The device is very much responsive at the same time. In some cases you can see that the game also lags, but the device become unresponsive. You have to just power off, switch off the device and then power on to make it responsive. But in this case, the Samsung Galaxy J6 is very much responsive during the gameplay too. My third point is battery consumption. Yes, all the Samsung devices are very much power efficient, and the Samsung Galaxy J6 is too. It is very power efficient. The battery consumption during the gameplay is very low as compared to its competitors, and first of all, the responsible is the lower game settings. Yes, we are playing PUBG on the lower game settings, and hence it will consume less battery. And second is the AMOLED display, super crisp AMOLED display, which leads us to the point 4, display performs a big role in the gaming. You have better display, you have better gaming review, or the gaming experience, sorry. This guy has a 18:9 ratio super AMOLED display, which Samsung says it's infinity display, although this is the best display you can get in this price segment. If you agree, hit the like button. And let's jump to our fifth point, hitting issues. If you are gaming, you will have some hitting issues, but there is almost no hitting issue on the J6 during my gameplay of 2 to 3 hours. this device doesn't even get warm. It means it is just cool. So do you need to buy this Samsung J6 for the gaming only? Well, definitely not. The device has a Exynos 7870, which I told you before, which is not a gaming processor. तो भैया इससे ना हो पाएगा, and but it will get the job done in the gaming department, especially if you are playing some games like Airborne, Asphalt, Need for Speed, then there is no problem. But in the high-end game, open world games like PUBG, it will give you a jittery experience. I mean to say that your gameplay is not going to be very smooth. By the way, a full review is coming soon, so stay connected. Comment down below for any suggestions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay techy, stay smart, and subscribe if you like this video.